Hi friends, fellow flyers. I want to show you what I've done to my little Cessna 170. One, I'm underpowered for sure. This is a 55-gram thrust power plant here, and the plane weighs 81 grams. So I'm definitely underpowered, but it is a trainer type airplane, and it will glide if you toss it and without any power at all. I'm getting some glide. So I'm hoping it will keep it in flight more than it is trying to keep it to flight. I don't have enough power to get it out of trouble, and I have about 6 or 7 flights on the model, and I've got another video there I can maybe add later, but I added me a tiny little trim tab on the rudder there. I don't know if it shows up, but I've added you can't see it, dear. She's shaking her head. No, I don't see that. But I've added a tiny little trim tab to go to the left.
Your dog's in the way.
And the dog will be fine. Yep, I think he'll be fine. And I have to try to keep the nose down a little bit to keep in forward flight. If I get in a stall attitude, it does not want to fly if I get in a stall attitude. So let's give this a try. Okay, I had enough altitude to recover that stall. Okay, I'm gonna throttle back a little bit. Keep the nose down. Keep the nose down. Keep the nose down. I'm in a tight area. It has a tendency to want to fly to the right. That's why I was hoping this little trim tab would help. I'm doing a little bit of adjustment. I'm just now getting to really fly a while to get some decent air time with it. All stalled back there. I'm going to try to bring it in for a landing. And then it stalled right there on landing. I give it just a touch of up elevator when you started seeing too much runway in the windshield. You cannot stall a plane. Watch out, Rex. He liked the flight. The airplane was coming in for final, and I pulled up too soon and done a wing over. It's definitely flying like a scale model. You've seen the flight. I'm very pleased with the build. Very, very pleased with the build. I got a little bit of rash here. So thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, thanks for viewing, and hope you have a lovely day. AMA member 523646 saying good day.